Okay guys, next step would be taking this grill, huge grill, because we're gonna have some stuff underneath, so you're gonna have to lift it up with this tool here. And as you can see, there's a one tap here, and I'm gonna keep going until we take this off. Let me see if I can. Go, there's some insulation, and you pull it back. You just need to pull it back like this. Here we go. Okay guys, we have 3 bolts that we need to reach here and take out. They're T20 again. And here's one. And we're gonna have one more here and one here. One, second one, and then we got the third one here. Okay, there we go. That's 3 T20. These bolts are actually what's holding this screen, and I'm gonna take it off now. So it feels like you need to actually lift this up a little bit. When you lift it up, you need to pull back, and you're gonna see how this is positioned in the back. So this is the supporting this is the upper frame where the bolts, the 3 bolts we just took out, that's what's holding this. And on the bottom it has right there, it has like a hook like this, which means you have to pull it up and then slide it on the upper side backwards. Now I can see cables, this and that, so there's a plug there, so you have to reach by hand. I can't show you. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you, but let me see. Okay, I managed to stabilize this. So you need to pull this back far enough to unplug the central plug. Here we go. I think I'm gonna put something in here because this is pressing, the steering wheel is pressing on the, or you can just pull it all the way out. Here we go. But anyway, try to install something here so it doesn't press on the screen. I'm gonna use a piece of paper, and now we have some optical connection that we need to again disconnect, and there we go. We just need to press on the top of this tab here, and the screen is out. You gotta be really careful with the screen because you don't want to crack this beauty. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.